Last season, Liverpool danced at the summit under Arne Slot. They reclaimed their place at the top. They looked hungry, dominant, almost flawless. But fast forward now, and something has broken. The Reds are stumbling, losing games they once controlled. And the question on everyone's lips is why? What went wrong, and why does Slot seem unable to solve it?
Another big disappointment. If things go well, if things go bad, it's always my responsibility, and we weren't able to create enough, or maybe to say anything in the second part. I tried to adjust a few things that didn't really work out. So players tried, kept on trying, but unfortunately. We weren't able to score a goal, because you never know in the stadium. If you score a goal, then something can happen. Maybe you can turn the game around. But I tried a few things that didn't work out, and that's why I say it's in the end, if things go well or don't go well, it's my responsibility.
What about the bigger picture? 6 league defeats in 7. Where are you at moving forward now?
Now we're in a very bad spell. That's simple.
So Slot's first season was a triumph. Liverpool played with control, pressing intelligently, shifting tempo. But this season has been different, far more chaotic, unbalanced. Losses are mounting and confidence is eroding. And for a club that just won the Premier League, this kind of drop off feels almost existential. First, let's talk about tactics. Slot arrived with a plan: possession, control, fluidity. In his debut season, Liverpool mastered tempo, moving the ball patiently, pressing, then breaking with pace. This gave them dominance, but now that identity seems lost. Opponents are no longer easy to break down. Slot himself has admitted that teams are defending more intensively this season. According to the pundits, Liverpool's up back through style is failing. The structure that worked before now leaves them exposed. If we talk about key departures, long serving players, shifts in personnel, and new fullbacks like Frimpong and Kirkes, who are still adapting to the Premier League. Their fluid rotation, supposed to confuse defenses, is backfiring. Players are out of position and the team lacks the compactness they once had. And Liverpool didn't just stay put, they rebuilt. Big money signings came in: Florian Wirtz, Alexander Isak, among others. But mixing so many new faces has created friction. The summer rebuild of £400 million did not magically gel. Wirtz, a generational talent, is being played centrally, number 10, but Slot's decision to make him the pivot has unbalanced the team. Midfield is now skewed and familiar partnerships are broken. If we talk about Isak, he haven't fully adapted. The timing, the link-up play, and chemistry that existed last season are not there yet. Next, let's talk about defense. So despite big investments, Liverpool have looked fragile, especially from set pieces. Slot has openly criticized their defending in these situations, and new fullbacks haven't solved the problem. The collective effort just isn't there. Slot has defended his fullbacks, Kirkes and Frimpong, but said the set piece issue is bigger than the individual errors. It's a systematic weakness. There's a suggestion that the internal structure, old and new players, hasn't fully adapted, and that cohesion in high pressure moments is lacking. So how has Slot responded? Although he hasn't shied away from admitting issues, but his solutions so far feel reactive, tentative, and sometimes contradictory. He has taken responsibility publicly, but fans and pundits say he's running out of ideas. Alright, so what can be done? Here are potential fixes and why none are easy. So Slot must find a middle ground. He cannot just revert to last season's model, but he needs more structure. Perhaps reshape his midfield to regain control or deploy Wirtz in a way that doesn't destabilize. Especially work on that set piece defending as a priority. Adjust defensive line, perhaps be less aggressive in pushing high. If it's costing them too much space. He should also reassess reliance on underperforming stars, maybe adjust Salah's role or rotate him more. Liverpool's slump under Arne Slot isn't just a blip, it's a deep, multifaceted crisis. Tactical misfires, structural imbalance, leadership voids, and more. But it's not beyond repair, the quality is there. What Liverpool needs now is clarity, leadership, and courage. If Slots wants to silence the critics and rebuild what once made his team champions, he must prove he can adapt before it's too late. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. What do you think is the biggest problem at Liverpool right now? Leave a comment and let's discuss.